The upgrade process impacts functionality, performance, and compatibility with other HP products, such as HP Business Process Testing and third-party integrations. Before installing Quality Center on your production environment, test Quality Center in a testing environment that reflects your specific configuration. This testing environment can also be used for evaluating the new version. There are many benefits by using a testing environment. For example, to test the upgrade procedure before going live on your production environment. If the upgrade fails, no harm is done, as the testing environment is independent of the production environment. It also enables early identification and detection of product problems. It offers a good platform for finalizing upgrade plans, resources, and estimating the time required for the production upgrade. It enables you to evaluate new features and capabilities, and the testing environment can be used for creating the new version's training materials. When setting up a test environment, decide which projects to test and how to test them. Good candidate projects for the test environment meet one or more of the following criteria: frequently used projects, strategic projects with a large number of users, projects with a large number of assets, old projects, complex projects, or projects with a high business impact. Once the test projects are selected, create a backup of each project from the production version. Then restore them in the database, and finally restore them on your test environment. To accelerate the preparation of your testing environment, prepare dbid.xml files containing the details of the database schema and the repository locations in advance. Upgrading on a testing environment simulates exactly what happens during the production upgrade. Use this independent environment as an opportunity to prepare yourself in the best way for the actual production upgrade. When determining how to test the selected test projects, remember that testing takes effort and is time-consuming. As a result, not all projects can be tested, and not all tests can be performed on each tested project. Keep in mind, though, that more extensive testing will increase your confidence in the upgrade process and in the new version. Select the types of tests you would like to conduct on the tested projects. The type of testing you perform may include performance testing, data integrity testing, workflow background compatibilities or regression testing, end-to-end testing, usability testing, or new feature validation testing. After selecting the necessary types of testing, select the testing to perform on each project. While building this matrix, consider the following: the testing time required for each test type on each project, the availability of testers who know the process defined in the testing projects, the number of assets in the project. Consider if the project suffered from performance problems on previous versions. Determine if the project has a big business impact. Note if the project is currently active in the production server. And finally, determine if the project takes advantage of any of the new version's features and capabilities. For example, if testers who are familiar with the projects are not available, it won't be possible to conduct workflow or data integrity testing. It is a best practice to decide on a testing matrix for each project to be tested in the testing environment. When installing your testing environment, decide if you want to use the production site administration schema or a clean one. To do so, consider simulation integrity, full installation testing, test managing convenience, user management, and management time. These are all affected by the site administration schema you select. After installing the testing environment, prepare a checklist to make sure the Quality Center installation has all needed configurations. This list should contain, among other issues, the existence of a proper license, database server definition and configuration and Quality Center site administration, if projects for testing were selected prior to the installation, preparation of dbid.xml files for all selected projects, running the integration migration tools if needed, configuration and installation of integration tools, verification of login connection to site administration, verification that all relevant stakeholders have access to site administration, setting logs to desired levels for tracking problems that may occur, and mail server configuration if the production environment uses a mail server. Quality Center 10 introduces a new upgrade procedure which makes the upgrade process shorter and less risky. The new upgrade mechanism is based on a workflow of 3 steps: verify project, repair project, and upgrade project. For information how to use the new upgrade mechanism, see the HP Quality Center Administrator Guide. For information on analyzing verification reports, see the HP Quality Center Upgrade Preparation Guide. To determine if your definition of the upgrade procedure and testing result match your needs, make sure to validate testing environment results by comparing the functionality and performance in the Quality Center production version with those of the new version. To determine if your definition of the upgrade procedure and testing results match your needs, make sure to validate testing environment results by comparing the functionality and performance in the Quality Center production version with those of the new version. If you find any problems, rate them according to risk. According to the rating, determine if the upgrade procedure can continue.